Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you ignored someone on Discord and now want to find or remove them, this video is for you. I will show you where to see ignored accounts and how to unignore them. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open Discord settings. Now tap on Content and Social. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. Here, tap on Ignored Accounts. You will now see a list of all ignored users. Find the person you want to remove from the list. Tap on the Unignore option next to their name. Confirm the action if asked. The user will now be removed from ignored accounts. You will start seeing their messages and notifications again. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Discord tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.